Hey Shug, it's your favorite bald-headed esthetician, Taj Mahaly, and this is a place for beauty bosses and skin enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to upgrade your bikini line routine and how to wax your bikini line. You ready? Let's go.
Step 1, the Bikini Buff. This is actually from the Mahaly Spa collection. And what I love about this scrub is that it is not made out of sugar. You won't find any sugar, you won't find any salt. Y'all know I got beef with salt and sugar. So what I'm doing is I'm applying this before we would be, I guess, getting into the shower. This is actually step 1 of the Pretty Kitty Kit. This has some alpha hydroxy acids like glycolic acid and also a little bit of vitamin C from dehydrated orange peel. And you can actually leave it on as a mask and then you'll wipe it right off, y'all. Next, I'm going to go in with the Glycolic Cleanser from what's this brand name again? Skin Script. I'm sorry. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the Skin Script Glycolic Cleanser. I love glycolic acid. It has a really tiny molecular structure, excellent for brightening the skin, helping with ingrown hairs and inflammation if you have those boil-like ingrowns. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You should not skip those 2 steps. If anything, you should do at least these 2 steps. Now I'm going to go in with the Honey Pot. This is the Sensitive Feminine Wash. Now, y'all have seen me feature this before. I don't know what happened to this one. I just used it and it wasn't runny, but today it was runny. No worries. I just wanted to quickly address the fact that there are so many people who are really upset about the change and the ingredients. And I want you guys to know not anything crazy was added to it. They just want to make it more sustainable so when they bulk order or bulk make, it can stay in a stock area for longer times. So now I just want to make sure everything's nice and dry. And we're going to go in with the Versed Instant Glow. I forgot what this is called. Oh, okay, I'm going to put it down there. But Versed, this is that AHA mask with the pineapple enzyme that has been going around on TikTok like crazy. So what's really cool about this one is that it also helps to exfoliate while masking. That pineapple enzyme, which is also called bromelain, is going to really, really brighten the area. I didn't care too much for this for my face, so that's why I repurposed it for my bikini line, and honestly, it has been a game changer. You want to leave that for 10 minutes and take it off. Next, we're going to go in with the Weekend Glow Brightening Toner. Once again, this is another one that I really like. And also, okay, because this was gifted to me, they also gave me these reusable cotton rounds, which is amazing. Now, I would love to use these for personal use. I don't know if I could use these at my spa, but basically you would use them and then you would put them in the washing machine. This has some AHAs in there as well. Very similar ingredients to that mask. And at this point, if you chose to do some extractions, that's completely up to you. Be careful. And this is step 2 of the Pretty Kitty Kit. This is the Bikini Glow Serum. Now, y'all, this stuff is amazing. Sidebar, I've actually used this on people who have had some severe skin issues. Like, for instance, they've had previous chemical burning, and it has helped to heal it tremendously, calm down acne inflammation. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, aloe, just a few goodies that's in there. But this feels so good and it absorbs into the skin so nicely. It's like a serum. It's almost like a lotion, but it's more of a serum. You'll have to see, but it leaves a nice little sheen, little glow. So here we are, y'all. The most important part of this video I'm sure you guys were waiting for. And this is how we wax our bikini line. I'm just popping on some gloves, pulling out that paper. And as you can see, this is our model for today. Call her Miss Big Purr, okay? Start off, you'll just need some cleanser, some cotton rounds, some sticks, baby powder. And then we're just going to spray the astringent onto ourselves or the client that we're using here, and we're gonna fluff the hair up. So I'm going the opposite direction on purpose because I want to make sure the hair is nice and fluffed up. Yes. Next, we're going to add some baby powder because the skin is probably going to be still damp, and also because we do tend to sweat when we are waxing, especially when we're waxing ourselves. So we're just going to add that on there too. I want to keep in mind you can keep your panties on for bikini line wax, but since it's yourself and you want to take them off to get kind of closer in, that's perfect. So this is the amount of wax that you're going to need. And we're going to start with that inner thigh strip first, that bikini line thigh strip. So you see I'm going to go down, flip, to get as much of that wax off as possible and spread it nice and evenly down the thigh. I'm going to loop it around to where I have a nice little tab that I'll be able to pull up so that I can flip it up and pull parallel. I also just waved that stick back and forth before I pull it away, just so we don't have wax strings everywhere. Same thing, and do the other thigh. Also, you don't have to lay all your strips at once. I'm just showing you guys the wax pattern first, and then we'll talk about how we'll pull it. I know my arm's kind of in the way, so I'm sorry. I was trying to make sure that the skin was taut, make sure Miss Big Purr was being laid properly. The wax was being laid properly on Miss Big Purr so that it can be pulled nice and taut. And you want to make sure you're doing the same thing. I know I'm not technically touching her, but you want to pull your thigh, the top part of your thigh, to make it nice and taut. Okay. So now this is for the very top of the bikini line, right? So boom, you'll just lay it. And I know I'm all on her panties. Don't worry about it. It's a good thing she's fictitious. Also, you might see a little bit of brown stuff. That's just burnt soot or burnt oil from the bottom of the wax pot, because I brought my little wax pot in to use for this. And then you're seeing me lay it the same type of strip the opposite direction. I also had to pick up a little bit more wax for these strips. Now granted, I know you see these are basically, one is over the belly button, one's on top of the bikini line. You'll be laying them in the same exact space. You just want to lay them in two separate directions. So that's what I'm saying here. You want to put that one exactly where the other one is. That second strip, you want to lay it exactly where you laid the first strip. So let's talk about pulling, okay? Your thigh is round, so I thought this would be an excellent way to show how to pull on your thigh, right? Now you have a little tendon that sits in between where the back part of your leg is to the front part of your thigh. You want to make sure that you're pulling directly up and over. Always parallel, but up. See? Ready? I'm going to pull that tab up, over. All right? Up and over. You never just want to do a fluid pull. I don't like to do those. So 1, 2, boom. I'm taking the back of that wax and I'm just using it as a magnet to help get any residual wax that I might have left on my skin. That's the best thing. And then also applying some pressure there. So I'm adding the pressure when I'm getting the wax off. Now for that top of the bikini line wax strip, like I said, it's going to go nice and smooth, and typically it's going to be a little bit bigger. So I'm just laying that wax down right there. And the biggest thing to remember is that this has to be a parallel pull, you guys, no matter what. Also, you want to make sure that your wax is kind of the consistency of a taffy, like being made, like a kind of taffy, kind of a sticky taffy. So as you see, what I'm going to do here is I'm just checking for it, waiting for that wax to get opaque. It usually takes about 10 seconds. And I'll flip that lip up there. And then I'm adjusting my grip, so you'll see me move my hand and pull. Once again, I did not pull away from my body. I applied that pressure to put that, to get that excess wax off of me. But that's how you want to do it.
So that's going to conclude my bikini line routine. This is also a great way to kind of keep up with your waxes in between. Let's say you're going on vacation. You might be going on your 5th or 6th week of your Brazilian and you just weren't able to get in. Boom. You can just clean up your bikini line just to make sure that everything is nice and right. So if you're wearing like a bikini or some type of bathing suit, everything just looks really nice and trimmed up down there. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and like this video. It helps someone like you find someone like me. And with that being said, I'll see y'all next week.